Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your watch face, so the home screen on your Apple Watch featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, to do this you have two options. You can do it only by using the watch, by holding the home screen, just pressing on the screen, and you can edit your current watch face. And this means that you can, for example, you can choose what you want to display on every place, like left corner, right corner, or down right here on this specific watch face, and also it works on every other watch face. So as you can see, you can choose from workout to, for example, I know, wallet, and now you have wallet in the top right corner. Also you can just add a new watch face. If you don't like the one that you have already, you can choose from many watch faces that are available on the Apple Watch. For example, let's choose the simple GMT, or maybe just count up. You just press add face, and now you can change colors. And you can change colors on every watch face by customizing it. And maybe we're gonna choose the navy, and by accepting it, you need to just press this one. And also you can change watch faces on the watch app on your iPhone or your Android phone. It doesn't matter because the application is the same. So you go to the watch application, and now you need to go to the face gallery, and now you can sort through every watch faces that are available, and you choose what is the most selling watch face to you. For example, let's take some infograph, and now you can customize it through your application, the colors, and as you can see, you can choose from many colors. And for example, let's choose this one, and as you can see, you can change the customization: the top left corner, top right, bottom left, bottom right, subdial top, subdial left, subdial right, because this specific watch face has many options to customize. And for example, you're going to top left, we're gonna choose the air quality, to top right maybe conditions, subdial top maybe we can choose find people, and you can customize it to your needs as you want it to be. And now if you wanted to add it to your Apple Watch, you just press add, and now as you can see, add it to your Apple Watch faces, and now you can just press it, and as you can see, now you have it on your phone. If you press you count up, and you need to press set as current watch face, and now as you can see, it also has changed on the Apple Watch, as you can see right now. So thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.